If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Galaxy J7 Max, and I just tell you the specifications and overlook for this mobile. You can see here the back camera with flash, and coming to this side here we have a charging point and headset port, and here we have a fingerprint scanner and front camera with sensors and flash, and we have it here we have a volume rockers and SIM insert button and memory insert button. Here we have a power on off button and speakers. I just opened this mobile. I just type my password. You can see here I just tell you the specifications. This is a 5.5 inch displays, and coming to the resolution 1080 into 1920 pixels. And I just open the settings. You can see here more details about the phone. I'll just scroll down where it is. Yeah, about phone. You may see here the model number, phone number and device name, model number, and the mobile weight is 179 grams. It is a dual SIM with the nano SIM. We can insert only nano SIM. And coming to the resolution, it's 1080 into 1920 pixel. PPI pixel is 386 PPI pixel density, and we have a multi-touch option. And coming to the Android OS is Android 7.0, and coming to the processor, it's a octa-core processor, 2.4 GHz, and we have a SIM card slot. We can extendable up to 256 GB. Coming to the internal memory, we have 32 GB and with 4 GB RAM. Coming to the battery backup is 3300 mAh. Primary camera is 13 megapixel shooter, and secondary camera we have also same 13 megapixel shooter with LED flashlight. We have flashlight for front camera, and you may see here I just taking a pic. It's a Galaxy J7 Max. You may see here I just doing the focus, and we have more options for this camera. We can adjust the tint. We have more effects. You can see here. You can see here mobile size is 5.7 inch display. It's a 5.7 inch display, and we can extendable up to 256 GB with micro SD card. Internal memory is 32 GB with 4 GB RAM. You may see here I have taken so many pics. This is a back camera, and here this is a front camera. It's a 13 megapixel shooter with flash. You may see here I just make a zoom. Yeah, you may see here this is Samsung Galaxy J7 Max. This is 5.7 inch display with the 1080 into 1920 pixels. It's a resolution, and 13 megapixel shooter, both front and back. 4 GB RAM with the battery backup 3300 mAh. Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro. This is a camera. Here you can see this. Here we have a camera and flash. I just tell you the specifications and overlook for this mobile. Coming to this side, we have a volume rockers. You can see here front camera shooter, and coming to here we have a fingerprint scanner, and here power on off button and SIM insert button. It's a dual SIM. We can use dual SIM also. Just open the about the phone, about the device and software information. I just show you. You can see here device name and model number and software information. I just click the software information. You can see here it's a 6 point. I just tell you the specifications. It's a 6-inch display, resolution is 1080 into 1920. It's a 16 megapixel shooter with 6 GB RAM. Battery backup is 4000 mAh, and the mobile weight is 189 grams. And it's a dual SIM. We can use nano SIM only, and the display size is 6 inch, and resolution is 1080 into 1920, and PPI pixel density is 367 pixels, and we have a multi-touch option also. And for this glass production, it's a Gorilla Glass, and Android version is 6.09. and processor, coming to the processor, it's a octa-core processor and 1.9 gigahertz. It's a 1.95 gigahertz. And coming to the internal memory, it's a 16.4 GB with 6 GB RAM. And card slot, we have a micro SD card also. You can upgradable up to 256 GB. And coming to the camera, it's a 16 megapixel shooter, front and back. For both we have a 16 megapixel shooter. It's a 6 GB RAM. You can see here, this is a 16 megapixel shooter. You can see the pics I have taken from this mobile. Yeah, this is a 6 inch display. We can handle with one hand also. This is Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro, and it's a full HD resolution.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.